Hey guys, it's Kinsey
and Taylor. Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be opening mystery bags.
We're super excited. Let's open it up.
Oh my goodness guys, look at it! Look at these! We got the new Polly Pockets.
I got Flamingo Floaty.
And I got Snowball Surprise.
Okay, here's everything that came with. This is Polly, and then her little friend, and it came with 2 floaties and 1 pack of stickers. And then this is a little thingy. There's this little snack shack thing, and it pops up like that, so you can have like a little window. And then there's a hot tub. And then little chair area, and then this thing goes up and down, and then there's this little elevator that does that, and you can put one of the little characters in, and she can spin around. And then there's a little door that has a little room in it. And then there's a little diving board. And then a little closet. And then there's a little diving, or a chair.
Okay, so this is Polly and her friend, and there's a pack of stickers, a sled, and a snowboard. And then over here, there are stairs, and when you go up the stairs, there's this little thing you can pull up, and it opens up the fireplace right there. And then up here, there's a bed that your Polly Pocket can lay down in, and a bedside table and a bedside lamp. Right here, there's a bathroom. And then over here, right here, there's a little ski lift that you can put your Polly Pocket in. And then you can close the door, and it goes up and down, just like that. And then you can take her out and put her on this. You open this up, there's a little snowman. And then you twist him, and your Polly Pocket goes round and round. And you can also put this little girl right here, and you can put her on the snowboard and make her go up the slope. Now I'll put the dolls in here. Then you can put the sled right here. And the snowboard right here, and then this closes up so that you can put it in there, and then you can take it wherever you want to go.
So the stickers they came with, it helps your doll stick on. Hello, I want some lemonade. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Now I'm gonna go sit down in my chair. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, I landed in the floaty. Oh, I'm cold. There. I'm gonna go swim. I think I wanna relax. Hi, can I swim with you? Yes, there's another seat. Okay, thank you. This feels so good. Yep. I'm gonna get out. Wow! That hurt. I wonder where my twin is. Wow! Oh. Hey, twin. Hey. Want to do some fun stuff together? Sure. Come on. Coming. Look at my fireplace. Whoa. Watch what it does. Oh. Let's go skiing. Okay. You get on the sled, I'll go on. I'm gonna climb up. Whee! Now it's your turn. Okay, I'm gonna get up on here. I'm gonna go on here. Okay, it's fun. Oh, that was fun. Oh, again, I'm done in the hot tub. I'm gonna go see if there's any more lemonade. Here. Thank you. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna go take a nap. Bye. Bye. Yay. Wanna go and watch TV with me? Sure. You can sit on the floor. Okay. I sit in my comfortable chair. I just want to lay on here. I'm tired. I'm gonna go in the elevator. Whee. Whee. You can take these out and about wherever you go. And also, you think they're great gifts. Thanks for watching. Bye!